Can I take this off? This is quite interesting. Me. That's it. That's all you get. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be a little thrift store day because I'm doing something and I think it will launch somewhere in September, maybe October, but I'm very excited and I have to get some stuff to take some nice product pictures with it. And I could tell you some things, but I just want to have a little bit more done so I can tell you some more about it. So I know it's like very mysterious, but it's so much fun. So I think I'm going to get some stuff for the product photography. I have to do my hair. I just lunched, so I have these little clip things here so my hair isn't in front of my face. So much information you don't need. So let's go on a little thrift store adventure. Okay, so it's a Monday. And I think it's quite nice how quiet it is. Let's see, do I need frames? No. Okay, this way. Okay, so I don't need this, but how amazing is this little table on the side? It's so clever, but it's like so low. Okay, so as long as I'm here, I'm always going to look if they have some cute little Disney mugs. Don't see them yet. Let's see if they have some. Also here, so this little cutie. You are $6.50. Oh no, you're a little bit too expensive, but you are cute. Look how cute. Every time I think of you, I get goosebumps. Oh, so I think I also like this one to put down and put some things on top, and it's only €3. Ooh, I think this is a good one. Okay, let me try to take this off. Can I take this off? Yay! Okay, got the first thing. Yay! Let's see if we can get some more stuff. Ooh, I'm hyped. This one is very dirty, but I think it's cool. Hello. Oh, here they have the wood and wicker stuff. Oh, I like this one, but not the little colors in it. Not the vibe. Not really the vibe. Not yet. What is this? I really don't know. It's 50 cents, but there's another one. Okay, so I saw this one, and I think it's a little bit too light, but I think I can stain it just a little bit darker, and this will be so cool. It's €1, and there's some stuff on here you cannot really read anymore. I think this is really cool. Okay, so I thought I would give you a little bit of an overview. Here's the wooden and wicker stuff. There's a lot more behind there. Here's some interior things, and behind there you can get lunch or coffee or anything like that. Oh yeah, I want to get some pretty books, maybe to also put somewhere in the corner for the product photography. So maybe I can find some pretty ones. And we also still need some for our open bookcase thing. Looking for these kind of books, but not this color and not about war stuff. I did not find anything yet. I have one blue one at home that I really love, so if I can't find anything, I know I have something at home. I do really love their comic book section. It's so pretty. There's a lot of stuff here, and I don't know why, but you always will find these very heavy children hat things that are creepy. And how much are you? €6.50. Oh, this is heavy. I don't understand why you would want to have this somewhere. I don't know. Sorry if you like it, but think it's creepy. Oh, this got a way bigger. This is nice. Oh, good job. Ooh, soft. I see something I had when I was a kid. Oh my god, exactly this one. I had this one. How much are you? $2.50. This is a really old one. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is a beautiful little pen. This is quite fun. Oh, sorry, it was all blurry. This is fun. Do I need a new pot? No. Do I want one? Of course. This was like quite interesting. I don't think it's like pretty, but it's different. So that's fun. Oh, this one too. Stone. Ooh. I really like these kind of sections. I really don't not like the little creepy clowns. But the other stuff, sometimes there's like a little treasure buried somewhere in between. I found a very sad little cat. Aww. He's so cute. But his eyes are like wonky. Cute. Said you were 50. Too expensive, but cute. Okay, so I saw this one, and this is quite interesting. €2.50. What is it for? It's like, it's pretty though. Let's find some Disney stuff. Oh, let's go. Yes, Disney. Ooh, bye. I'm not doing a lot of DIYs lately, but this will be so cool. How much are you? You are free. Ah. You could do so much stuff with this. This made me laugh. Oh, yes, also had this one. I really like this one. And how much is it? Are you... Again, no price. That's like so annoying. It's quite heavy, so I think everything is still inside. Ooh. Love this. They're €10 a piece. That's not expensive. So beautiful. Ooh, this is heavy. $1.50. Look at the colors. Oh my god. €4.50. Treasures. Mostly expensive treasures. Let's see. These are the kind of books I was talking about. With the beautiful outside. This one's 25, so that's a little bit too much. But yeah. Oh, more. Look at the cute little cups. Oh my god, that's so cute. Okay, so I've got everything in the car, got some good stuff, and let's go to the puppies. Puppies! Hey! Hey, hello. Hi! 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 Come on, go! Come on! Come on! Eh. Oh, nee, nee, no. No. Eh. Hi! You want to see the stuff? I'm so happy! Yeah! Oh, okay, so I'm going to put everything down. Hi. Hi, Bob. So the first one, okay, don't get scared. Evie, kijk je uit? So this is the first one. And I'm so happy with this. And for only €3. And I think it's not like an original old one, but it is perfect. So I also got this one that I showed you earlier on. Fun little thing to stain. Let me see. It's in here. Ooh, the strange looking little painting. This one was 50 cents. And I also found some of these. And I think the last one thing in here is this little how do you sorcerer thing? How do you call it in English? This one. And I thought it was so pretty with the little flowers on here. And I think it will match the vibe perfectly. So for everything, €6. That's really cool. So the vibe I'm going for is like a little bit of a witchy vibe. And the things I'm going to put together with this, it's creepy but cute. So that's all I'm going to say. Okay, so I think I'm going to show you just the tiniest little thing that I'm working on. Ready? Ready? Me. That's it. That's all you get. There's going to be a time when I'm going to explain everything and reveal a little shop launch with you. But thank you so much for coming with me on this little thrift store adventure. And I really love all of the stuff that I got. And I'm so excited to use them. So again, thank you so much. And if you liked coming with me, please give this a like and also subscribe if you want to, because it helps my channel out a lot. And hopefully I will see you next time. Not expensive. Oh, oh my god. And subscribe if my channel. Subscribe.